What's up, everyone? Today we will be learning on how to draw the Brain Slug pet from Among Us. So let's get started. Now before we start, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And let's get into this video. So you're going to need your pencil here or a marker. And we're just going to start making this brain slug. So we're going to start over here and make a big circle like this. Okay, now let me fix that a little. So you can use a compass if you want to make those very good circle shapes. But I'm not using one, so it's going to take me a while. Or not. Done. Okay, so we just need to make one big circle like that. Okay, now we're going to start in here and we're going to make a nice little pupil in there. And at the end, we're going to color that all black. So we're going to leave that like that. So we're going to start around here up the eye. We're going to curve like this and go down. So I'm going to just try to make that a little more curvy. And now we're going to go down here. But before we go down there, I just want to tell you, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video and do it at your own pace. So we're going to keep going down and down. Curve up here. And make a nice little curve there, like that. See, it's like a little blob there we did for the like tentacle thing. I wouldn't really call it a tentacle because that's more like for an octopus now or something with tentacles. I would call it like it's like a weird alien mushed arm. Okay, I don't know how to call it. Now we're gonna go, so we're gonna imagine this line down here. We're gonna imagine it's an imaginary line going through the eye. I would say around here. Gonna make a little mark there. Gonna go down and down. Try to get to the same exact place there. And we're gonna make another one of those weird things. We're gonna make this big one we did here a little smaller because it came out very, very, very big. Okay, actually we're gonna make this one big, that way they both look equally. Because I wanna look, because they have to try to look both the same. Because it doesn't make sense to have one enormous one and one little one, right? Yeah, so I'm just gonna erase this a little. We're gonna go up there like we did there. Now we're gonna continue over here and leave a little space there. And make another one there. So we're gonna like there we go. So we want to get this weird shape. Don't know how to call this, but we're going to make the antenna. But before we do the antenna, I'm just going to try to make this a little curve right there. I'm going to curve these things in. Try to get a good shape on them. Okay, so we're going to make the antenna that comes up here on the head. So we're going to make, starting up here, a line that goes like this. Two lines actually. Now, before I continue, I just want to tell you I'm doing this in very big. so that way you guys can see it better, but at home you can make this much smaller because I made it enormous. So we're going to make 2 lines, as I was saying, and we're going to curve right here in that line and go like that. We're going to make a nice circle here for the antenna. So now that we've got that, I'm just going to do a quick trace with my black marker. So we're done tracing our enormous brain slug thing from Among Us, and well, now that I'm done doing this, I'm just gonna color it, but I'm gonna skip this part because I don't want to waste that much time, so let's go. So we're done here with the coloring. That fast it couldn't have taken. And well, I just want to say I hope you enjoyed drawing this enormous and cool brain slug thing from Among Us. And well, probably in my next video I'm going to make another Among Us thing or different thing, but so far just making Among Us. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye!